Ayan, alright. Gising na ang dakilang batugan ng puting buhangin. I woke up an early morning because I need to go to school. Let's go. And this is our house. It is not totally made. And it is the outside of our home. Mr. Sun is coming. And now it's raining. Ayan, before I write my notes, I will look at myself at a mirror first. Very too cute, right? And then, before I take a bath, I will rewrite my notes first because yesterday I didn't do it because I'm so lazy. I played only ML. ML? Ayan guys, mag-aabang na tayo ng tricycle. And you know guys, it's so difficult to commute because sometimes wala akong masakyan na madalang ang tricycle. Alright, ayan. After a long ride, I'm here now in our campus. And this is our campus. Ayan. Dito na tayo ngayon sa aming paaralan. Simula ng panibagong araw na puno ng stress. And also, this is our hobby and everyday morning. They didn't clean. They retouch, and chismis doon, chismis din eh. And then, makakalimutan ba to? Ang laging ganap sa maghapon ng Saturn. They didn't clean. That's why mom is getting angry every day. And after a long stressful maghapon, we are here now. Uuwi na. Ayan, alam nyo ba guys, my favorite subject maghapon is umuwi. Yes, I am. And this is the view of our campus. Amazing, right? And after going school, I'm here now in our home. Repeat again my daily hobbies. Writing notes. Writing more notes. And share ko lang guys, this is my favorite notes in all my subject. Because I know on myself that I exerted an effort to do it. Ayan, that's the pages of my notebook. The subject of that notebook is ELS or Earth and Life Science. I exerted the effort in that notebook because malamang chichikan yan, lagot ako kung di ko ginandaan yan. And after that, syempre hindi papayag ang aking mudra na hindi ako maglilinis ng bahay. Ayan. I need to clean because our room is very dirty. Labag pa yan sa loob. Galit pa yan siya because I'm lazy as always. Ayan, hindi nga pala ako natutulog dito because I sleep dun sa kabilang bahay na color white. Our house is very dirty, that's why I need to clean every day. OA. Yan, because I'm hungry in cleaning, I will eat first. Ayan guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my video. See you at the next vlog.